Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. So we're still catching up on the week of Thanksgiving. This is the Gather mini kit from Hurricane Randi that I'm using in my Jesenia Printables. It's the week on 4 pages with the to-do list and everything like that on the last page. Basically, this week, I don't know what I was thinking with the way I laid down this washi. I don't normally do it this way. This is how I should have known I was about to get sick because I was not braining properly. So, yeah, I don't cut these printables the way they are indicated to be cut. She has like these little indicators, I guess, on the corners telling you where to cut horizontally, where to cut vertically, but I like to leave mine as the full pages because then I can fit washi on the bottom and I don't feel like they're tiny. I just like it. So you will have noticed right here that I put the Happy Thanksgiving box on Wednesday because that's how I roll. I realized it later on down the line, but yeah, I messed that up, but it's okay. This kit is so cute. Like the blue pumpkin. Have you guys seen those pumpkins if you've gone to like the pumpkin patch where they look like Cinderella's carriage, I guess you could say, like that beautiful blue? I have seen them the past couple of years. I haven't bought them because I tend to go traditional Halloween. I'm all about Halloween and I like to stick to standard pumpkins and things like that, but I really want one of those blue pumpkins. I'm thinking I might do it next year. Not even to carve, just to have it, because I think they're so pretty. If you guys have ever gotten the blue ones, let me know. Maybe even post a picture and show me what you do with yours, because I think they're gorgeous. And truth be told, I did not order my current month printables, so I ended up just reprinting the ones I had, and I use whiteout anyway for the date covers and things like that, so that's what I'm doing here. That is a weekend banner from Wild Summer Designs, and also these foiled 3-heart checklist are from Wild Summer Designs. For whatever reason, I can never put these on straight. It never fails. And with foil, I'm sure you guys know if you've used it, it's so tricky to pick it back up because if you're not super careful, that foil is going to crack and it's going to look terrible. So I was super careful, even though I had to move a couple of them. I luckily did not crack any this time. And I also used the gold foil weekend banner. She basically has the same weekend banners all the time. She just changes the color of the bows. Now, these I had found, they were like almost like a foiled metallic blue from a Mombi sticker book that I've had forever, and I never use them. And I happened to be cleaning out my collection of stickers a couple weeks ago when I found these, and I happen to remember them when I was using this kit, and it fit perfectly. They're beautiful, same kind of blue. I use the Clever Gal Crafts foiled flags for the top, also in blue. And what I'm basically going to tell you now is what I have told you guys every other video for this week. Every plan I had basically for this week went out the window because I got sick AF and laid on my couch and just sat in a blanket and watched TV. And it was the best thing ever. If I hadn't been sick, I would have enjoyed it a lot more. But whatever, that's at the point where I realized that I put Thanksgiving on the wrong day. So I'm just marking down my little Coffee Monsters Co. Guys to wrap my niece and nephew's gifts for the holidays. I have a couple of things I wanted to start as traditions with them this year, where we did a craft at Thanksgiving, and I give them some holiday books, some Christmas books, to kind of kick off the season. And the little ones loved it. My 6.5-year-old nephew opened it. He was so excited he had presents, and he opened it and he's like, "Books? Really, Aunt Chelle?" I was like, "You're rude, child. Like, these are awesome." He's the best. He's like my little baby bestie. I love him. And yeah, I mean, luckily Thanksgiving was painless this year. We actually all went to the same place. My parents hosted my in-laws, my sister's in-laws, my sister-in-law's in-laws, like everyone was together. There's not that many of us. Like total, I think there was like 22, 23 of us. And my mother-in-law made the turkey, brought it with her. My mom made side dishes. My job this year was Brussels sprouts, mashed potatoes, and the antipasta, like the Italian meats and cheese, things like that. I made that plate. My sister makes this banging cornbread. It's so good. It's like got cream corn in it and regular corn, and it's just so good. I love it so much. So that's actually what I had made for my work holiday party too. I asked her to give me the recipe, and this chick gives me the recipe to feed an entire Thanksgiving dinner. And I have a section at work of 6 people. So needless to say, a week and a couple days later, I still have cornbread. All right, that's it. I hope you guys subscribe and stay tuned for this current week. I should hopefully be getting them all up this week. And I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I'm so happy to be back filming, and I will get into a routine, get into the swing of things before you know it. All right, have a good one, guys. Bye.